Svabhavat by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Svabhavat is a term that holds significant importance in various Indian philosophical traditions, particularly in Buddhism and Hinduism. The concept of Svabhavat is complex and multifaceted, encompassing diverse interpretations and implications within the context of these traditions. In her Theosophical glossary, published 1892, H. P. Blavatsky defines Svabhavat as follows. Svabhavat, a Sanskrit word, explained by the Orientalists as plastic substance, which is an inadequate definition. Svabhavat is the world's substance and stuff, or rather that which is behind it, the spirit and essence of substance. The name comes from Svabhava and is composed of three words: Su, good, perfect, fair, handsome; Sva, self; and Bhakvava, being, or state of being. From it all nature proceeds, and into it all returns at the end of the life cycles. In esotericism it is called Father-Mother. It is the plastic essence of matter. In his Glossary of Sanskrit Terms, Geoffrey A. Barbourka defines Svabhavat as literally self-becoming, a northern Buddhist term equivalent to Father-Mother of the stanzas of Zion, indicating thereby the mystic essence, the plastic root of physical nature. From it all nature proceeds, and into it all returns at the end of the life cycle. To understand the concept of Svabhavat, it is essential to consider its historical and cultural context within Indian philosophical traditions. The term Svabhavat finds its roots in early Buddhist and Hindu texts, where it is used to convey fundamental ideas about the nature of existence, causality, and the ultimate reality. In Buddhist philosophy, Svabhavat is closely associated with the concept of emptiness, shunyata, and the understanding of dependent origination, pratiti asat mutpada. In Hinduism, Svabhavat is linked to the concept of svadharma, one's own duty, and the understanding of the self in relation to the cosmos. The concept of Svabhavat has been interpreted and expounded upon by various Indian philosophers, giving rise to diverse philosophical perspectives and implications. In Buddhist philosophy, particularly in the Mahayana tradition, Svabhavat is often understood as the intrinsic nature of all phenomena, devoid of independent existence or self-nature. This understanding is central to the Madhyamika school of thought, which emphasizes the emptiness of inherent existence and the interdependent nature of all phenomena. In contrast, in Hindu philosophy, Svabhavat is often interpreted in relation to the individual's inherent nature or essential characteristics, as described in the Bhagavad Gita and other Hindu texts. The concept of Svabhavat has profound implications for understanding the nature of reality and the fundamental constituents of existence. In Buddhist philosophy, the understanding of Svabhavat as emptiness challenges conventional notions of inherent existence and independent selfhood, pointing to the interconnected and contingent nature of all phenomena. This perspective has significant implications for the Buddhist understanding of suffering, impermanence, and the path to liberation. In Hindu philosophy, the concept of Svabhavat is often linked to the idea of dharma and the cosmic order, highlighting the interconnectedness of individual existence with the larger framework of the universe. The concept of Svabhavat also carries ethical and practical implications within the context of Indian philosophical traditions. In Buddhism, the understanding of Svabhavat as emptiness is intimately connected to the cultivation of wisdom and compassion, as it challenges attachment to fixed identities and promotes a deeper appreciation of the independence of all beings. This understanding forms the basis for the ethical conduct and the practice of the path towards enlightenment. In Hinduism, the concept of Svabhavat is often associated with the fulfillment of one's svadharma, or inherent duty, within the social and cosmic order, guiding ethical behaviour and personal conduct. The concept of Svabhavat also invites comparative perspectives, allowing for a nuanced understanding of its significance across different philosophical traditions. In the context of Mahayana Buddhism, The understanding of Svabhavat as emptiness can be compared and contrasted with other philosophical perspectives, such as the concept of Brahman in Advaita Vedanta or the Tao in Taoism. These comparative analyses shed light on the diverse ways in which different traditions conceptualize the ultimate nature of reality and the self, enriching our understanding of the concept of Svabhavat. The concept of Svabhavat continues to be a subject of scholarly inquiry and philosophical reflection in contemporary contexts. Its implications for understanding the nature of reality, the self and ethical conduct remain relevant in the ongoing dialogue between Eastern and Western philosophical traditions. Moreover, the concept of Svabhavat has also sparked interest in fields such as psychology, cognitive science and contemplative studies, where its insights into the nature of consciousness perception and the construction of reality are being explored. In conclusion, the concept of Svabhavat holds profound significance within Indian philosophical traditions, offering rich insights into the nature of reality, the self, and ethical conduct. Its historical, philosophical, and cultural dimensions provide a fertile ground for scholarly inquiry and contemplative exploration, inviting us to deepen our understanding of the fundamental aspects of existence. By engaging with the concept of Svabhavat in its diverse manifestations, we can gain valuable perspectives on the nature of reality and the human condition, transcending cultural and philosophical boundaries.